What does Baja? What does Baja mean?
It means go down.
What?
It means go down.
What does?
Baja. 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 Baja.
What's Baja mean?
This is the funny word.
It's a funny word.
Baja. It's in English that I say. Baja. Baja.
What's it mean in Spanish?
It means go down.
Well, I mean, it's Spanish for go down. When you say Baja,
Yeah. Baja. Baja. I learned how to say Baja myself. Baja. 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 It means you're laughing. It means you're laughing. That's what it means. Baja. 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 It means go down, helicopter. If it's up, the wind blows. And it has to go down.